Hello class 3, welcome to online classes of HPS. In the last video, we had seen chapter number 6, safety rules. Now, in this video, we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. Come to page number 59. Time to answer, fill in the blanks. First one, burn crackers in presence of dash. Answer is elders, ELDERS, elders. Second one, we must stand in dash while getting on the bus. We must always stand in a queue or in a line. Spelling of queue is QUEUE, queue. QUEUE, queue. Third one, always cross the road at the dash crossing, at the zebra crossing. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing, ZEBRA, zebra. Dash sharpen pencils with a blade. Don't sharpen pencils with a blade. Fifth one, never dash your friends while playing. Never push your friends, PUSH, push. Okay. Now on page number 60, time to answer, strike out the incorrect word. The first one, first aid is the help given to an injured person. Strike out healthy and an injured person is the correct answer. Second one, you should clean the wound with clean water. Strike out cold drink and the correct answer is clean water. Do not or always crowd around an injured person. Answer is do not. Strike out always. Correct answer is do not. Strike out always. Now come to page number 61. Write true or false. The first one, hands should be dry when using electrical appliances. Yes, it is true. We should not touch the electrical appliances with the wet hands. The second one, playing with fire is dangerous. Yes, it is true. We should not play with the fire. The third one, accidents occur when people follow safety rules. No, this one is false. Accident occur when people do not follow the safety rules. The fourth one, play football on the road. Is it correct? No, wrong. So answer is false. We should always play football on the ground. Fifth one, first aid is given to an injured person. Yes, it is true. Sixth one, do not walk on a footpath. Wrong. We should always walk on a footpath. So the answer is false. Turn the page. Come to page number 62, children. The next question, fill in the blanks. Wear only dash clothes when we go near candles or gas stove. We should always wear cotton clothes, COTTON, cotton. Second one, cross the road at a dash crossing, zebra crossing, ZEBRA, zebra. The third one, red light says dash and green light says dash. The red light says stop, STOP, stop. And the green light says go, GO, go. Fourth one, we should not touch electrical switches with dash hands, with wet hands, WET, wet. The fifth one, most accidents occur because of dash, because of carelessness. If we are not careful, if we are careless, then accidents may occur. The last one, dash is the immediate help given to an injured person. Answer is first aid, FIRST, first, AID, aid. Okay. C question, match the following. Red light says stop. We should stop when the signal gives a red light. Green light says go. Ambulance is for taking people or patients to hospitals. Fire brigade puts out the fire. The road safety, zebra crossing. firecrackers are dangerous to play. Now, the D question, answer the following questions. The first one, why do accidents occur? The answer is, accidents occur suddenly, SUDDNLY, suddenly, if we don't follow safety rules at every place, such as home, comma, on the road, comma, in the school and on the playground, full stop. Okay, accidents occur suddenly if we don't follow safety rules at every place, such as home, on the road, in the school and on the playground. The second one, what care should you take while crossing a road? What care should you take while crossing a road? Answer is, while crossing a road, we should look on both the sides and always cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing a road, we should look on both the sides and always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay? Next, third one. What rules should you follow in the playground? Answer is, while playing games on playground, comma, we must not push others and should wait for our turn. Full stop. We should not hit the animals in or around the playground. See the answer again. While playing games on playground, we must not push others and should wait for our turn. We should not hit the animals in or around the playground. The fourth one, what is first aid? Answer is, first aid is the immediate, IMMEDIATE, immediate help given to an injured person, INJURED, injured person, before a doctor arrives, ARRIVES, arrives. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. The fifth one, how can you celebrate Diwali safely? What all measures should we take to have a safe Diwali? Answer is, for celebrating Diwali safely, we should burn crackers, 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 in presence, PRESENCE, presence of elders only, full stop. The sixth one, what rules should be followed on the road? Answer is, we should always follow traffic lights and road signs, full stop. We should look on both the sides and cross the road only at the zebra crossing. See answer again, we should always follow traffic lights and road signs. We should look on both the sides and cross the road only at the zebra crossing. The seventh one, what should be done if someone burns his or her hand? Answer is, if someone burns his or her hand, we should place the burnt area under cool, running water and apply, APPLY, apply ointment, OINTMENT, ointment. Answer is, again I will say the answer. If someone burns his or her hand, we should place the burnt area under cool running water and apply ointment, 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 full stop. The question answers are over here, children. This was all for now. We'll see the next chapter in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.